Now we'll take a look at one of the most unique features of LeadPerfection. As was mentioned in our previous demonstration videos, LeadPerfection has a built-in algorithm for estimating drive time between appointments. We're about to see how LeadPerfection can be used to cut down on the driving time that sales reps have to make. This is especially useful for companies in more rural areas, where sales reps are often asked to cover a large geographic territory. Let's suppose we have a new prospect on the telephone who would like an appointment. The prospect lives in Greensboro, North Carolina, zip code 27406. The Nearby Appointments tab allows us to enter a radius of miles from which to view other appointments along with a date range. When we click on the Go button, LeadPerfection is going to list all the other appointments within the given date range, which are within 150 miles of the prospect on the phone. Let's see what happens. LeadPerfection has generated a list of all appointments on the schedule which match the criteria, and it's given us the estimated drive time along with the driving distance. And this is an estimate of the true driving time and distance, not just a simple as the crow flies estimate. It actually has taken into consideration road types, bridges, and other conditions to display a fair estimate of what the drive time should be. Included on this list is the appointment time slot availability. Whenever we see a green box, LeadPerfection is telling us that we have sales reps available to cover this appointment. So in this example, we could book this appointment in the afternoon on June 6th, which would be only 20 minutes from the 7 p.m. appointment in Greensboro. But if this prospect wanted something next week, we could quickly see that we have a sales rep in the area on Monday, only 15 minutes away. The best part about this feature is the speed with which LeadPerfection found the results. Because it only takes a second or two, we can have appointment setters use this with a live prospect on the phone, steering them to the best appointment date and time. Trying to do something similar manually would take much too long and would only frustrate the prospect. Using this feature will not only lead to increased satisfaction on the part of the sales reps, but it will also allow companies to book more leads in a day, especially if they can find cases where the drive time between consecutive appointments is minimized.